Today's video is going to be a B&G trading unboxing video. So I ordered 2 boxes from them, and then they're actually sending me an affiliate box. I had hoped, and they had told me that all 3 boxes were going to come at the same time, and I could have just maybe done this all in one video, but I just got the 2 boxes that I ordered yesterday. So the box that they're sending me for free hasn't come yet. So I will do a separate video showing you guys the items that they sent me. But yeah, let's just get into the video. I got 20 pieces to go over. Like I said, I ordered from them. I ordered the juniors lot, I think it was. Everything should be new with tags. Each box was $70, I believe. First thing, let's do the t-shirts that I got first. This is from Bando or Bandu. It's a size extra small, and it says, "I don't work here." Everything is already up and listed in my Poshmark closet, so if you see something that you like, definitely go check it out. Okay, this is also from Bando or Bandu. This is size large. It says, "Make it rain rainbows," and it's like a muscle tee. This is cute. This is cute. A lot of these brands I have never heard before. They had slim pickings when I went to order my box, and I didn't want to spend a shit ton of money on a mystery box. So yeah, I got the juniors box. But these are all brands that are sold at Macy's, Nordstrom Rack, and other places. I don't know where else. Okay, next is from Kid Dangerous. This is a size extra small, and it just says Kid Dangerous Los Angeles on it. This is actually huge for an extra small. I provide measurements on my listings, so if you see something that you like in this video, don't let the size like throw you off. In my reselling career, I've learned that sizes aren't always correct, so definitely always check measurements. Okay, this is also from Kid Dangerous. This is a size small, and it just says "bye" on it. Got a bunch of shorts. First is from Indigo Rain. This is a size 11 or 30, and like I said, these are all new with tags. Did I say that? They look like they're just kind of distressed on the side and cuffed on the bottom. These are high rise, by the way. I've never heard of Indigo Rain before, but I have heard of this brand, Celebrity Pink. These are a size 9 or 29. Again, some denim shorts. This is a really pretty color. It's like a mauve-y, like corally watermelon color. I just named like 3 completely different colors, but you get what I'm saying, right? That's what they look like. No distressing on these, but they are cuffed at the bottom. All right, also by Celebrity Pink. These are a size 9 or 29. These are just bright red, fun for summer with the raw hem. And that's the back. Okay, more shorts by Celebrity Pink. These are a size 1. And they look like this. Cuffed at the bottom, no distressing. This brand is sold at Macy's because it has a Macy's sticker on them. But I like the look of these. Actually, both of these pairs. This is Rewash. This is the high rise Riley high rise short, size 7 or 28. I like these. I would wear these. It has the raw hem, and I like how it's like dark wash here and light wash here. And then on the back, it's just light wash with the darker wash up top. And then these ones are super cute as well. These are also from Rewash. These are the Casey super high rise shorts. Same size, 7 or 28. Pineapples on them. How cute is that? And then raw hem at the bottom. And then on the back, it's just plain. I like that because I think it'd be weird to have like pineapples on your bum. We have a skirt from 1060 Sherman. This is a size large. Leopard print, cheetah print. I don't know. They're very similar. But it's like a longer skirt. Now we get a bunch of dresses. This is Tease Me. This is a size 5. A denim material. It's got like little embroidered polka dots with buttons on the side. Comes down like this. Does it have pockets? Does it have pockets? It has pockets! On the back, it kind of crisscrosses. This is cute. Again, look at my Poshmark closet because I'm not going to be able to hold it up and like show you guys what it looks like. I'm just like, This is from Material Girl Active. It says, "Find more styles at Macy's.com. This is a size large. And it's just a really cute black romper. I like the front, how it like crisscrosses. And yeah, and it's super like soft material. It's got pockets. But yeah, just a little black romper for the summertime lighting. This is from B Darlin. This is a size 1-2. and it's a floral dress. I got a bunch of floral dresses. This looks like this. It's got like thin straps. This is like a midi dress. Goes down like that. Really pretty. This is from Tease Me. This is a size 9-10, like halter dress. Like the neck looks like that. It looks like that. This is really cute, actually. It's kind of longer. It's like a high-low, as you can see. Again, check the pictures. I'm a Poshmark because this isn't doing it justice. Jump Apparel. It's a size large. It's very, very sparkly. So this side is like a thicker strap and this one's thinner, and it's kind of like a wrap in the front and on the front as well. Can you kind of see? You can kind of see. Okay, this dress is from Be Darlin'. This is a size 3-4, and it looks like this. Really pretty floral dress. This is like midi length, and the back is cute. It's got a little bow. I'm not gonna be able to show it to you very well, but there's like a little cutout here with a little bow. Super cute. I have a couple more things. This is from Be Darlin'. This is a size 13-14. This is a strapless floral dress. Hold on, if I can hold it up. There we go. This was fun to get to stay on my mannequin because my mannequin is a little bit slender than this, so I had to use like tape to get it to stay up. It looks like this, and it's like kind of like double layered here in the front. Abilene's outside my door. Cute. Dress is from Ultra Flirt. This is a size small. Looks like this. And I can't tell if this is supposed to be like off the shoulder or not. I guess you could wear it either way. These things right here. I hate these things. I hate them. They're so annoying. But yeah, this is cute. Last dress is also from Ultra Flirt, size medium. Oh, by the way, that dress was super soft, and this one is super soft as well. This is like an olive green color, and it's kind of like tied here in the front. And then it has a slit in the front, like right there. Super cute. This is definitely a maxi dress, so super cute. So that's it for my first B&G trading unboxing video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Comment down below and let me know what you think about this box. It's hard for me to know what I think because I'm not familiar with these brands. Like I said, I know Celebrity Pink, and I feel like that's like a, you know, it's nothing special. But there are some cute pieces in there, you know, like the dresses. So yeah, I don't know, we'll see. And it's also hard for me because I'm like totally branching out because I'm used to selling like, you know, sweatshirts and leggings and athletic wear. So I'm trying to branch out and like get different styles into my closet. So again, it's kind of hard for me to like get excited about it, I guess, because I know like what I'm used to and I know what sells for me. If you want to check out B&G Trading, I think I have a coupon code with them. I will have more info down below. And again, once my other box comes in, I will show you guys what I got in that box. Again, it's like an affiliate box. They send it to me for free. So I'm very curious to see how those two compare. So look for that video coming soon. But yeah, that's it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll talk to you guys in my next video. Bye.